friends, I'm outside in my landscaping this morning to do our math activity today, and it's going to be about this little tree right here. It looks kind of like a bush, but it's going to be a tree when it grows up a little bit. And I bought it very small. It's already grown a little bit since I bought it. It's got some new leaves on it. It didn't have hardly any leaves on it when I first got it. So, but this tree is supposed to be 10 feet tall when it's full grown. So right now, back up so you can kind of see, it's pretty small. 10 feet is as tall as the house. So it's gonna grow quite a bit. I'm gonna see how tall it is right now. I've got our ruler here, 12 inches. Another way of saying that is a foot. There's 12 inches in a foot. I'm gonna see how tall it is now. And you guys are gonna figure out how much more it needs to grow before it's full grown. 10 feet. So I'm gonna start at 1, that would be helpful. So we're at the 12 inches here at this leaf. There's still some more to go. So at the tallest part, this leaf right here, it's almost 12 and 12. So that means it's 2 rulers, it's 2 feet tall. Right now it's supposed to be 10 feet tall. So let's go see how we could solve that problem. And here is a picture of what this tree will look like when it is full grown, just to give you an idea. It is a Catawba crepe myrtle. And like we said, it's going to be about 10 feet tall, so that's what it will look like. All right, so now we're going to figure out some answers to these questions. First of all, how tall is the tree right now? We just measured it, and it was 2 rulers, 2 feet, or it was 12 plus 12 inches. 10 and 10 is 20, 2 plus 2 is 4, 24 inches. And I wrote myself a little reminder up here, 1 foot is 12 inches. So 1 foot plus 1 foot, it would be 2 feet, but we're doing inches. So how tall will it grow to be? Now I looked it up online. I thought I remembered this from when I bought it, but I double checked online, and it should, when it's full grown, be about 10 feet. Now, I didn't do this in feet. That's in inches. That's a problem. So I need to put this into inches. Guess what that means? We have 10 feet. So for every foot, we need to add 12 inches together. We're going to add 10 groups of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot. My hint to you, I'm not going to solve this right now. I will show you the answer to this in tomorrow's solution. I would just find, like we do on number strings, add 10s and 1s together, or find combinations. You could even add 5 together first and then add it to the other 5. Split it up however you need to solve it. It's because we are going to have our answer in inches, not in feet. So if I was using a ruler, how many inches tall would it be full grown at 10 feet? Now, so once you figure that out, you're going to use that to help you solve this next part. How many more inches does it need to grow to be full grown? And we'll solve this part tomorrow too. So here I'm going to draw a little tree. This is not a very good tree. Down here, and we said that that was 24 inches. We already have that right here. And we said that the house is a good example of 10 feet. So right now, it's coming to about right here. How much more does it need to grow to be its full height? That is what you are figuring out. You have to figure out what this is in inches. It's in feet. You need to make it into inches. I've given you the equation to do that. And then you have to use this number. You can put that where the 10 feet is. You can get rid of that 10 feet. How much more does that tree need to grow to be full grown? And I will post the answer tomorrow.